Lesson 6, Asking for Directions.
Excuse me.
Yes? How can I help you?
How do I get to the train station?
Go straight and turn left at the traffic light. Walk 2 blocks. The station is on your right.
So, go straight, turn left, and walk 2 blocks.
Yes, that's right.
Is it far?
No, just 5 minutes on foot.
Great. Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Is there a bus stop nearby?
Yes, just around the corner.
Thanks. Where is the supermarket?
Walk straight for 3 blocks. It's on the left.
Thanks. I'm lost. Can you help me?
Sure. Where are you going?
My hotel, City Inn.
Take the first right, then walk 1 block. It's on the left.
Got it. Thanks. Is there a shortcut to the park?
Yes. Go through that small alley.
That helps. Thanks. How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
Perfect. Thanks again.